our next Mama's Choice Award. This time we'll be moving on to our second special award, which is Miss Victoria Burger's Choice.
To be awarded, of course, by Mr. Tantan Baroque Jimenez.
Okay, our Miss Victoria Burke will also be receiving a sash and a cash. Okay, our Miss Victoria Burger is candidate third.
Who's your band?
It's you, candidate number 5.
Our next special award is Miss Akasha. To be awarded, of course, by our judge and sponsor, Miss Jalene Lina. Our Miss Akasha will receive a cash and, of course, a cash. Our Rina Hermosa de Guevara Miss Akasha Choice Award is none other than candidate number 5. Candidate number 4.
Okay, moving on to our next special award is DJ Kahimang Background Music. Mas na background. Okay, our next special award will be given by Miss Ampura because this award is Miss Ampura Choice Award.
To be awarded, of course, by Mr. Stanley Cura, the owner and general manager of EM Cura Construction.
Okay, our Miss Ampura Choice Award will be receiving cash and a sash.
Yung mga bata po, magigit daw po tayo ng konti dyan para makadaan po yung mga mag-award.
Okay, our Miss Ampura Choice Award is candidate number. It's you, candidate number 1, Dan Nakaport. Candidate number 1. Next award is Miss
Amelia's Restaurant. award will receive a sash and a hat. Our next Your Choice Award is none other than
Our Miss Amelia's Choice Award is candidate number. See you again, candidate number 1. Bianca Nicole. Our next award is
Miss Body Beautiful. To be awarded by Ms. Vic De Los Santos. Our Miss Body Beautiful will receive a sash
Number 6
and also a cap.
Number 6, maganda.
okay, Miss Body Beautiful is candidate number. Sino may pinaka-sexy katawan?
5,
It's you, candidate number 6. Another award will be given Miss Feminine Look.
7. 7 and 6.
Miss Feminine Look, yung pinakamukhang babae sa ating mga kandidat.
1.
Okay, our Miss Feminine Look will be awarded.
Queen RRM Marty. Our next feminine look is candidate number 6.
Okay, this time we will be awarding our major awards. These are the different categories that our candidates have presented earlier. We will start in our Best in National Costume.
Followed by Best in Casual Wear, Best in Swimsuit, Best in Long Gown.
Okay, our major awards were not yet computed, so ladies, you may go backstage to rest. And then after the tabulation is complete, we'll proceed with the announcement of the special awards and then proceed in the top 5 part.
So at this moment, we would like to thank our sponsors, starting with Capital S Supreme.